Okay, so we're here at Puerto Princesa Airport. At iniintay lang natin yung shuttle bus natin from Astoria, Palawan. Ayan. So, I think ito na si Kuya. Ayan. So, diba? Welcome to Palawan, mga lalabs! We're here, we're here! Initin. And here we go, we're going to our coaster. In fairness, mas malamig dito. Ano oras na? It's already 12:27. Hindi siya ganon kainit. Hindi katulad sa Las Piñas. Ito yung mga coasters ng Astoria. Same ng nasa Boracay coasters. Ano na lang yung backpack. Pwede mo yung backpack na. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa harap. We're here. Come on, let's go down. Go down, anak. Go down. Hello. What's check-in? Okay, ID. Okay. Dito pala tayo. Dito lang pala. Malayo. Wow, this is our room. We have water, 2 queen-size bed, and a bathtub. Thank you. Yay! Hi guys. Oh, ba't nandiyan ka na? Hi! Oh, anong binigay nila? May pa-mosquito repellent? Natural insect repellent with citronella and lemongrass. Meron na. So we have water. Dear value guest, kindly be advised that the water supply from the faucet is not safe to drink. For your health, you may drink the bottled water provided. Please do not place the bottle inside the refrigerator to avoid breakage. If you require refill, kindly dial 0. Thank you. We also have tea, coffee, sugar, and cream. Microwave. What we have here? Utensils for 4. Plates. This one. Ref. Is there anything inside the ref? And then trash can. And then this one. The comfort. Sink. And we have percolators. Another trash can. The safe. Weighing scales. Chinelas.
Look at the flooring, it hurts on my feet.
There's no closed door.
Uh-oh.
You cannot close the door.
No closed door.
Oh my God. Pwede. It slides. Ano ka ba? The door slides. Ikaw naman. So, pahinga lang kami. At kakain si Aurora. And we will go to dun sa center nila to plan our another 2 days here stay. Alright, I'll see you later for dinner. So, we'll do buffet, international cuisine tonight. Halo-halo. Later yan, dessert, anak.
What is that? Bingsu? Getting bingsu. Bingsu.
Soy arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena.
Salad.
Can you feel? Move your body. It's so
Blue cheese.
don't stop now.
Chinese chicken, guys. Bangla. Sushi. Sobrang dami mangga. Grobek. Fire dance time!
Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual. Luna llena, shining down. Pies descalzos on the ground. Latido fuerte, boom, boom, boom. Take me higher, feel the zoom.
Good morning! You said good morning.
Good morning, yes, me.
Good morning, let's swim. Good morning, guys. And it's our day 2 here at Astoria. It's our one and only full day here. So, come on, let's go. We just finished breakfast and now magsuswimming. Alright, guys. So, I'll see you guys later. Now we're going back to the breakfast kasi maglalagay lang tayo ng ice sa ating water bottle.
Can we put the food there?
Yes, we can.
I want to do
This is our room 143, Olive Ridley Villa. Let's go.
Did you show them the manga?
Not yet. We go around. Here's manga. Pero konti na lang eh. Nag-harvest ata kasi sila.
Yeah, cause there's manga there in the buffet. Menu.
Mini manga.
There's many butterflies here.
And dragonflies. I saw dragonflies. Ano? So, tapos na. Tapos na, guys. Si Aurora mag-swimming here. Aha. Okay, let's go, Aurora. Now we're going to walk towards the beach. Beach. Oh, by the way, nag-iwan din pala sila ng mga water dito. Like that. For everybody. Ano kami, may dala kaming tumbler. At nagpalagay kami ng tubig. And ice. Dito sa mga restaurants. Ang init, guys. But since this is our last and only full day, tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Ayan, look. Daming mangga, diba? Mangga all over. Pero nga pala, marami pa rin. This is still Palawan, marami pa rin. Bugs. Mosquitoes. Hindi lang mosquitoes yung kumakagat eh. So, don't forget to bring your mosquito repellents and sunblock. Here's the beach. Here's their sand. Boracay sand still whitest. Let's see our signal. We don't have signal. Walang signal na smart. Ang Globe, meron. You could also get a bike and go around the 9 hectares property. This way to the water park. Yan, mataas ang beach. Pero mainit. Ayan, yesterday may mga
Success.
bibenta dito. Pero ngayon wala. Then may mga popcorns, bibingka, street foods, fish balls, dirty ice creams. Maybe later ulit. And here's the rental of the bike. Ayan. Wala si kuya. Rental of bikes. Uy, kayaks! Meron din pala, oh. Yeah, here's the other pools. Madami pa to, anak, eh, oh. Meron pa dun.
White sand blue.
Yeah, finer sand. Aray, mainit yung sand. Look at that view. Can you see it? Oh my god. So, papunta na kami sa water park. This is the water park. Ay! And this is the rock climbing. I could also do that. This way to the water park. And then may sari-sari store across the property named Cosa Store. Yan. Ayan si Cosa Store. Whew. And there's another sari-sari store there. Water park. Morning. Wristband. Ah. Wait, susulat muna tayo. Alright. And we're in the water park. I don't know. Late in the afternoon. Saan napunta? Ayun. Makaslide. Ayan. Woo!
Hello guys, today we are in Atoya, Palawan, and I'm in the playground now. And we're going to also we're going up there, then going down the slide, then I'll go to the other playground here, and
You look at me.
upstairs, and I'm gonna go
Alright, go. Wait, you wait for me. Okay, go down. Uh-huh. Okay, go. And now I'll show you the magic fruit tree. Here. Magic fruit tree.
But it's not buko.
It's not buko. It's here. It's a calabash tree. A calabash fruit. Here, you look up. Calabash fruit. It's just see, no eat.
Do not bite. Do
Yeah.
not eat.
Yeah.
It is toxic.
It is toxic. And then you say bye guys. Ah, meron pa? Okay. It's for small kids. Oh.
Push me out of the
No. No. Alright. And then,
ball. Mini ball.
okay, you go to the mini golf. And kanina nag-mini golf sila here, and here's the picture. Okay guys, we are going to the Hollow Dome for the membership of Astoria. I'll see you guys there. Bye! Yay! Okay na. Thank you, thank you! And hi guys! We are out! Check out na tayo and going back to Manila in a while. So, it's already 9:27. 10 o'clock kami pipick upin dito and going back to Manila.
Slippers.
I don't know. We're going to the airport. Our flight is 12:45. 10 o'clock kami aalis. 1.5 hour. So, mga 11:30 nandun na kami. So, tamang-tama lang. So, last look of the room. Hey, your neck pillow. Yan. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay. Bye. Alright. So, let's do check out. Bayaran na ang kailangan bayaran. And I'll see you guys in the airport. Bye. And we are back in Manila. Look, look at that. This is the new seat of Cebu Pacific. Bago. We're going, moving.
I get to the planes first because we're
There we go. We're in baggage claim, domestic flights. We're going down. Down, 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 down. Mga conveyor natin. 7. Yep. Nag-iisa lang ata tayo. Walang ibang flight. There you go. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung baggage. And here's our boarding pass and parking ticket. So we could pay the discounted rate of parking. Ayan. Let's go guys. Let's go. Alright. So, nakakita kami ng food court. So, kumain daw muna tayo. The new and improved food court. Alright. Okay, here's the new and improved section of the Terminal 3. We have Chili's. Ooh la la. Ah, here. Dami oh.
What do you like? Nayang, Angel's Pizza, Watami. Pwede rin ba dito yung BFF na discounts? Ang dami pa doon, oh. What do you want? Toilet. Okay, toilet. Alright, balikan ko kayo guys kung ano yung napili namin kainan. Guys, yung CR pala is gender neutral. Yung female gender neutral, yung male hindi. Ba't ganun?